sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Dodge Viper. This two-door, two-passenger coupe just recently passed the 10,000-kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 10-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the following features are included: a leather steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.